What's up, everybody? It's Matt again. This is going to be my first attempt at upholstering the door panels, so we'll see how it goes. I cut out a piece of the upholstery from this massive block I got from Amazon. Let's see if this plays out. Guys, before I put this glue on, I clean the surface area off. There's nothing. To get started, I sprayed a bunch of Gorilla Glue on the front facing side of this panel, and then I put the upholstery material there. And then once I'm done with that, I flip it over to the back side where then I have to cut the upholstery to fit the door. Alright, that was the front side. Now let's figure out this back. While we're here, we might as well put some soundproofing on. You guys can't really tell what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to cut open the, I don't even know what you would call this, like the door swing stopper, so that it can fit through this door panel. And then after this, you're going to see me try to cut a couple of holes in the upholstery so that I can put the washer and the screw through. In this little clip here, you're going to see me take off the door handle and then the window crank so that I can put the upholstery back on. Here I'm adding the door handle to the door. I decided to move it to the left a little bit because in the center, the door handle used to be in the center, but I didn't like the location of it because it was just too much in the middle and there wasn't enough air. It wasn't in a good spot for you to reach out and grab the door handle to then close it. It was in kind of like the middle where whenever you pull the door, it felt awkward. So I decided to put it to the left a little bit and it just felt more natural. All right, everybody. So I'm going to use Rivnuts to mount the upholstery to the door. So I'm using an M6 rivet for this specific door. So I need to drill a pilot hole, which on this container says I need a 3/8 drill bit. So I have that here, going to attach it to my drill some holes, and then Rivnut it into place. All right, wish me luck. Classic Ryobi. We'll start down here. I'll clean these out once I'm done drilling. The right thing to do now would be to file it down, but I'm just going to use a little screwdriver to make it nice and even. Now I'm just going to spray paint it so it doesn't rust. So I got this Rivnut tool. Just going to change it out to the 6mm M6. Pretty much just have to put the upholstery in there now. Hopefully we do a good job. Hey everybody, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. I really do appreciate when you guys do that. I can get this content out there for everybody to see, and I hope I can inspire one of you guys one day to purchase one of these bad boys and then build it into an overlander.